Hi students, let's have a look at this. Find x and the inequality given to us is 2x plus 15 greater than 29. So to find x, we have to first isolate the variable x, and to do that, the method we are going to follow is the reverse PEMDAS order of operations. So how do we do it? We need to first see if there is any scope to perform addition or subtraction, and we move from left to right. Yes, we have a plus 15 here, so we can perform the subtraction operation here to get rid of this 15 on the left hand side of the inequality, in which case we have to subtract 15 from the right hand side of the inequality as well. Okay, so we have performed the subtraction operation on both sides, and the net result is we got 2x greater than 29 minus 15, and 29 minus 15 is 14. And the next operation that we are allowed to do is multiplication or division. Which should we do now? Well, definitely it's division, because that way we can get rid of the 2 which is multiplied to x. So dividing by 2 on both sides of the inequality, we will get x on the left hand side and 14 by 2 on the right hand side. So this gives us x greater than 7, and this is the solution. Okay, x greater than 7 is the value of x. It's a range of values greater than 7 going right up to plus infinity. I hope this is clear to you now. Thank you very much.